We had a really unfortunate playoff situation and a mud situation on our field, and actually the Willamette Valley is a silt-based clay soil and the native soil, and so if you get much rain on it, it doesn't take long for it to become mud. So we had a playoff game with Central of Iowa that year, and it was an unfortunate situation where we had a ball, we blocked a kick and the team picked it up, and it was an overtime situation. They picked it up behind the line of scrimmage and ran it in the end zone, and that was kind of the issue that started the discussion about a turf field. It was about a $1.4 million project for that part of it, for the track and the football field, and then we did some other things with the school. We did a scoreboard with a video replay, and that was a very worthwhile project. It was, I think, a very positive boost to the football program, but not only the football program, but the institution. We use that turf field constantly. It's used every evening for a variety of things, whether it's intramurals or other activities. Maintenance-wise, you just when you have a all natural grass football field, you are spending a tremendous amount of time and effort to keep it playable, line it, make sure it's ready to go. And with this, you show up on Saturday morning, it's ready.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The community itself, the McMinnville community, has a big, major, and alumni have a major part in there, and that's one of the reasons
I didn't listen last time.
there's a lot of thousands sign up.
Well, I thought we left the airport.
A lot of $1,000. We had gifts.
Number 59 is Tyler Steele, a junior from Salem. At defensive end, number 41, Brendan Highland, a sophomore from Eugene. At linebacker for the Wildcats, a sophomore from San Jose, California, number 24, Tyler Robertson. At the linebacker position, number 18, Brian Dundas, a junior from Bellingham, Washington.
Work together on this project, and coordinating that was a lot of time on for me, but it was really, we have probably if you put a cost value on what we actually did versus the dollars we had to spend, we probably have about a 30 to 40% discount. So it probably costs 30 to 40% more to do it if we were just pay it out.